then on 17th of March, the president of the university announced all the classes are going to be online. The following Monday, the 23rd of March, we were conducting classes on Zoom using Off2Class. My name is Yuri Sakamaki. I'm the director of the American Language Institute at California State University, Bakersfield. To us, I wasn't panicking. It wasn't like, well, what do we do? Because most of the classes we just had to move Off2Class to Zoom. Well, I didn't have to worry about what to use, what to show on the screen, because we already had that. Otherwise, if we didn't have them, then we would have to make our own PowerPoints, and show them. We're quite happy with what you guys offer.